Hey everybody, it's Darren Amato here at AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey. We also operate under Bandanas Online. Today I am here to talk to all of our Canadian friends and Canadian customers. We do a lot of work here in New Jersey for American companies, but we also produce bandanas for Canadian companies. Today we're running a very nice print on a natural bandana. I'm going to turn the camera around in a minute and I'm going to show you what we're up to. Here we are looking at our bandana press. I'm going to swing around to the side where some blank bandanas are coming underneath the screen that's filled with ink. We're going to take a look. Here we're laying down the final coat and you're going to see the bandana emerge from the other side, ready to get dried. Look at the beautiful print that we have on that bandana. This is a 2-color bandana print. Actually, it's a 3-color bandana print. Here is the second color, and here is the third color. So you'll see the blank bandana here will go underneath the first color. It'll get its first print, go to the second color, and go to the third color. And once it's all done, it'll emerge here and then go through the dryer. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Here's the bandana emerging, ready to be dried. Take a look at the level of detail and the text on that bandana. That is a beautiful piece. We're gonna have Claudia take that off the press, take a quick look. Look at how gorgeous that print is and the fine detail in the text. It's gonna go through the dryer and then we're gonna pack it up and send it off to our customer. So if you're in Canada or the United States and you're looking for American-made bandanas that are high quality and affordable in price, give us a call here at AMBRO Manufacturing and we're happy to help you out.